Everyone, and welcome back. If you're seeing an authentication error while using Buffer and you're unable to access your account or connect your social media profiles, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer authentication errors in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the best solutions step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and carefully read the authentication error message. The exact message can often tell you whether the issue is related to your login, account permissions, or a connected social media platform. If the error appears while signing in, double-check that you're using the correct email address and password. If necessary, click the Forgot Password option and reset your password before trying again. If the authentication error appears when connecting a social media account, reconnect that account by removing the existing connection and authorizing it again. Make sure you approve every permission requested during the setup process. Next, verify that you still have the required permissions for the account you're connecting. For example, if you're managing a Facebook page or LinkedIn company page, make sure you're still an administrator. Now, sign out of Buffer, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your login session and often resolves temporary authentication problems. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with secure authentication requests. You should also disable any VPN, proxy server, or browser extensions such as ad blockers or privacy tools. These services may block authentication requests between Buffer and the connected platform.